You should receive your shipment containing 2 boxes. The content of the boxes is as follows: Box 1. 3 connector plates. 6 holders with their wiring. 18 brass pipes. 2 Allen keys also known as hex keys. 50 socket screws. 1 mounting clip. 2 canopy mount bolts. 1 canopy already connected with a connector plate, using the pipes. Box 2. 2 24-inch diameter discs. 3 18-inch diameter discs. 1 15-inch diameter discs. We first need to assemble the lamp before installing the wiring. Connection plate number 1 is already connected to the canopy using their respective brass pipe number 1, 2 and 3. Our assembly shall start from this point onward. Each plate has 6 sockets. The sockets are numbered, and shall be connected with the brass pipe having similar number. You need to insert the pipe into the sockets, based on the number given on the pipes and sockets. The socket numbers and the pipe numbers must match. You shall begin with connecting pipe number 4, 5 and 6 in the connector plate 1. Once connected, the connector plate number 2 should be affixed. Pipe number 7, 8 and 9 shall be connected to the connector plate number 2. Pipe number 7 has a sticker with an arrow, the arrow should point to the canopy. Once connected, the connector plate number 3 shall be affixed at the other end of pipes. Thereafter, pipe number 10, 11 and 12 shall be connected to the connector plate number 3, followed up with fitting the connector plate number 4 at the top. Be securely tightened after the wiring only. We shall have to remove these pipes from the sockets during the wiring. Pipe number 13, 14 and 15 shall be connected now in their respective sockets. The larger pipe shall be connected in socket 15. The smaller pipe shall be connected later, once its disc is connected. Our structure is ready now. We shall now prepare the discs. You shall need to connect holder 1 in disc 1, 1, using the attachment pipe number 16, 1. Since the UL wire is mandatorily softer, we shall use a bit rigid wire to pull the holder wire through the pipe number 16, 1. In the similar fashion prepare the disc 2, 17, using holder number 2, 4, and pipe attachment number 17, 4. Prepare the disc 3, 18, using holder number 3 and pipe attachment number 18, 7. Prepare the disc 4, 13, using holder number 4, 13, and smaller pipe of the pipe attachment number 13. Fix the disc 5, 14, using holder number 5, 14, and smaller pipe of the pipe attachment number 14. And the last disc 6, 15, using holder number 6, 15, and pipe attachment 15, smaller pipe. You need to pierce the wire of the disc 6, 15, disc 5, 14, and 4, 13, through the larger section of their respective pipes. Their wiring shall have to be brought to the top of the canopy through the pipes. Now you need to insert the wiring of disc 3, 18, into the hole provided in the pipe number 7. Also, insert the wiring of disc 2, 17, into the hole provided in the pipe number 4. Disc 1, 1, shall be connected at a later stage. We shall first fix these 5 discs and bring their wires to the canopy top. At last, disc 1, 1, would be fixed in pipe 1, and its wire brought to the top. Once you have all the wires at the top, you shall connect them together. The mounting clip shall be installed on the ceiling. At the end, you must tighten securely all the socket screws, using the Allen key. The socket screws should set in the grooves given in the pipes. And the lamp shall then be fixed to the mounting clip using canopy mount bolts.